Welcome back to Random Maths Inc. And it's time for a new series, which hopefully I'll be able to introduce all in just one take. In this series, we're going to be talking about something called Maxwell's equations. Now, Maxwell's equations is a set of 4 different equations, which basically act as the fundamental to the theory of electricity and magnetism. They're basically the 4 equations which tells us how electric fields and magnetic fields will behave and how they'll sort of interact with each other. And throughout this series, I'll be talking you through these 4 equations, and while not necessarily proving these 4 equations, I'll be mentioning on how it came about and how it sort of makes sense the way they are and sort of what meaning we can get out of them. Now, I know I've began many series before, and this is a series I generally really want to do since I've taken electricity and magnetism about a year ago, and I don't know how long this will take. It might take a year before I finish it, it might take 2 years because of all the things I've been doing and stuff like that, but hopefully I'll be able to finish it sometime because it's a really interesting set of videos I really wanted to make. Now, the only thing that I want to talk about, want to sort of mention about these sets of videos is that sadly I can't make this series 4 videos long, even though there are 4 equations. And the reason for that is because the equations themselves are written in this wonderful language called calculus, more specifically using something called vector calculus. So throughout this series I'll be adding in bits where I talk purely about vector calculus, purely talking about things like flux or divergence, or line integrals and curls. If any of these words sort of make sense to you, then great, but if it doesn't, then hopefully I'll be able to explain those throughout the entire series as well. And using these mathematical knowledge, we'll be able to understand more about what the Maxwell's equations, each of them, are actually saying. And for now, I don't really have much else to say except for enjoy my series. And if you have any improvements, any comments you want to make, just leave in the comments below, or Facebook it to me or tweet it to me or whatever. I don't really know. But as for now, I'll see you guys again soon. Yeah, one take, yeah.